Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Roblox error code 277 network issue while you are playing the Roblox game. So while you're playing the Roblox game and you encounter the 277 error code, then simply quit Roblox and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows, including all the programs of your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, launch again the game. And if it is working, well, good. But if not, move to the next methods. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here in the troubleshooter window, you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button or run the network and internet troubleshooter because this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. I will not just click mine because you might have different problems to be detected, but in your case you have to. And the good thing there is that it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So just simply follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Now simply close this. Then click on the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. And if you have multiple connections at home, then you can simply switch to any other network that you have at home. So just simply switch as to what network will work for you. So simply try on that. Then we can also flush the DNS. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type this command, ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then we can also change the DNS by using the Google's DNS. So in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl, control panel item. Under the best match, click on that. Then here, simply look for the connection that you are connected to. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Well, the process is just the same. Make a right click, select Properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi properties, click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. Then this window will appear. Now simply click on Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and simply close this windows. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update. Then click this button right here. So this will check, download, and install the latest updates of your Windows. So simply try on that. And once done, just restart your Windows and then launch the game. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then simply look for Roblox. Click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now once uninstalled, then we need to reinstall it. So simply open any of your favorite browser or any browser that you can use on your Windows. Maximize this. Type here Roblox. Download. Hit enter. Scroll down and you'll find the official website of Roblox, www.roblox.com. Click on it. Then simply click on Download Windows app. And the installer file will be downloaded. Click on that. And close the Edge browser. Now let's wait for this to reinstall the application into our Windows. So Roblox has been reinstalled, so simply click on sign in, enter your credentials and click on sign in and then enjoy or continue enjoying the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.